In this video, we are going to learn how to connect an accent device using NuVoice to Wi-Fi and use our Liberator Support tool. Our Liberator Support tool allows us to access the device remotely to provide support and training without the need to be present in person. In order for Liberator Support tool to work, the device will need to be connected to Wi-Fi. To do this, we need to select the on-screen tools key in the top right. We then need to select Hide Show NUV or Win Easy Chat, and this will take you out to the Windows desktop. Down at the bottom or top, you will have a taskbar. Over to the right, you will have some symbols, and we're looking for the one that looks like a globe. If we tap on the globe, and then the Wi-Fi option, and this will now search for any nearby Wi-Fi that is available. Select on your Wi-Fi, and ensure the Connect automatically is ticked. Select Connect. Now you'll need to enter your password, and this typically can be found on the back of your Wi-Fi router. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter in the password. Once you've entered in your password, you need to select Next. Once the connection has been confirmed, we can now go on to open Liberator Support. So we're going to exit out of the on-screen keyboard and tap out of Wi-Fi. Now Liberator Support should be located down the left-hand side, and we're looking for this symbol here. We just need to double tap. Now you'll be requested to enter in a PIN code. This will be provided by a Liberator member of staff. You can use the on-screen keyboard to enter in the PIN. This is how to successfully connect an accent device using NuVoice to Wi-Fi and use our Liberator Support tool.